Fifth for contents for beginner surfers. The fifth topic is riding the wave. Riding the wave is actually is the same as surfing on the wave. Let's think about someone who has never been surfing on the surfboard. Then they need to know about the feeling of riding or the wave speed as a beginners. When they riding the wave is not big. So, and first, I recommend the beginner surfers to ride, riding on the line. So just like a paddling, and then don't stand up first, and then feeling about and how they feel, and also how avoid their nose diving. Avoid nose diving is very important. Simply riding means the surfers can stand on the surfboard. The stand means not fall down. Simply not fall down. Falling down is a dangerous situation. So, and then falling down after I reviewing about riding, surfing for beginners. After then, the sixth is about falling down. There are so many cases about falling down. Let's get to the point. And the riding as a surfing, there are some three riding skills. First, for beginners, intermediate, and advanced surfers. Let's think about the beginner surfers. Beginner surfer can stand. It means that we already talk about pop up. They pop up and then stay on the board, getting balance and looking forward to the beach side. It means they can balance, go straight, and a low position with the performance. And also they can little handle about turning a little, turning to the right, turning to the left to make a board controls. When obstacles come out, they should avoid the obstacle. It is very important for the safety. Um, so, and then the right or left, let's think about regular position, the regular surfers. Someone who put their right foot at the backside of the surfboard, then and they are regular surfers. If they turn to the right, it means that they surfing to the front side. If they turn to the left, and then they surf the backside, surfing. If the goofy and then does a reverse, it's very important for beginners. It means intermediate surfers that when they're riding, surfing, they should get used to front side surfing and backside surfing. It means they can side learning. When they take off, they watch where they go. But surfing is riding waves. The waves went from the lineup the to the beach side, and then the surf zone, and the waves go straight. If surfers go straight, just like waves, and then the speed is the same, the wave, the speed is the same as the speed of the waves. But if the side learning, the surfers can go farther. It means the surfers can surfing longer than the wave length, and also the speed is much more faster. It's very important because surfing is amusement, exciting, and then the more surfers get speed, the better, the more the surfer can get excited, and then getting performance. So, and then for intermediate surfer, side learning very important. For intermediate surfers, side learning very important. Let's think about advanced surfers. Advanced surfers can do performance on the waves, on the surfboard. Um, Not only longboard surfer, but also shortboard surfers. They have or different waves, and then also they have a different performance when they surfing. The performance is for longboarders, and then they can do that logging, hang five or hang 10, and then kneel down, and they can drum return, and also they can do moving, and then just like standing, but just like logging. It's very comfortable on the board because the longboard is as or the length of about um, um, 14 feet. Then, and so this is the very long and little wide. But the shortboard is different. The shortboard is the surfers shortboard surfer catch the waves, dynamic and then very powerful waves, and they can make performance just like top turn and a bottom turn, top turn, carving, or and putback, and that kind of skills for surfers is very unique way. All of that from beginners to advanced level riding means surfing is quite different each case. Go straight side learning or having performance. And these skills are very important for surfers. Today, I talk about riding on the waves. And then riding means surfing. And then uh, surfing is very enjoyable if we know about all about the process. Now I can get this copy with this. In English, make content of how to surfing, how to riding as a beginners and go straight riding and as an intermediate level and advanced level after proofreading with. Riding the wave from beginner to advanced surfer. Surfing is all about riding the wave. Riding means standing on your surfboard, keeping balance, controlling direction, moving with the energy of the wave toward the beach. For someone who has never surfed before, Riding wave feels completely new. The board moves, the water pushes, and nobody must learn how to balance on a moving surface. Let's break down step by step from beginner to advanced level. Beginner level, go straight and feel the wave. For beginner, the first goal is simple, standing up and go straight without falling. Step 1, feel the glide before standing, before trying to move up. Paddle into small soft wave, stay lying down, feel the speed of the wave, and then learn how the board moves. And this helps you understand wave energy and timing. Step 2, pop up and balance. Once comfortable, perform a green cover, T, knee, slider band, low center of gravity. Look forward toward the beach and then keep your arms relaxed for balance. Go straight, hold straight riding is the foundation. When you go straight, your speed is the same as the wave. You simply follow the wave toward the shore. Focus on stability, not turning, safety for beginners, always. Control your board, avoid nose diving in the front of the board, skin fall safely. Protect your head. Watch for other surfaces and obstacles. At this stage, surface means standing up and then going straight, not falling immediately, feeling comfortable on the way. Understanding frontside and backside. Before moving to intermediate level, beginners to choose understand stance, regular stance, left foot forward, right foot back, loopy stance, right foot forward, left foot back for regular surfer. Turning right to front side surfing, and then turning left backside surfing. And it's about important to practice both sides. Surfing is not only about standing, it's about controlling direction. In a middle level, riding along the wave, side learning, side riding. Once you can go straight confidently, the next step is riding along the way, trimming. Instead of going straight to the beach, angle your takeoff slightly left or right. Follow the often based on the way of the wave and travel longer than the wave's straight path. Why side riding is important? When you go sideways, you move faster than the wave's breaking speed. You surf longer, you feel more excitement and control. He cues at intermediate levels, bottom turn, trimming for speed, and small directional adjustment, avoiding obstacle while moving. Now surfing becomes dynamic, not just balance, but movement. Advanced level, performance surfing. At advanced level, surfing becomes expression and performance. There are different styles depending on board type. Longboard surfing, longboard 9, 10 feet to or and then the longboards focused on flow and style, advanced longboard technique, cross stepping or gliding and 5 and 10 means perfect. Longboard is graceful, controlled, and elegant. Shortboard surfing. Shortboard are the so powerful and fast way. Advanced shortboard maneuver, broken turn, top turn, carving, cutback, snap, aerial for expert surfers. Football surfing is dynamic, explosive, and powerful. Straight and versus side lighting, the big difference. Straight lighting, side lighting, follow and wave direction, travel along the wave, pace, same speed as wave, faster than breaking wave, the beginner skill, intermediate skill, and the book on balance, focus on control and performance. Final message. Riding the wave means surfing, but the meaning changes at each level. Beginners and go straight, intermediate, ride sideways and control speed, advanced perform, maneuver, and express style. Surfing is enjoyable when you understand the process from feeling the glide to control direction to performing powerful turn. Each step builds your skill and confidence. The ocean teaches patience, balance, and awareness. And remember, the best surfer is the one who understands the way and respects it. Okay.